Welcome to BoostMind AI, your hub for working smarter with artificial intelligence. In today's video, we're revealing the top 4 AI tools that can help you make money easily in 2025. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, content creator, or just getting started with side hustles, these tools are absolute game changers. Let's dive in. First up is ChatGPT combined with Custom GPTs. ChatGPT is no longer just a chatbot. In 2025, you can now create your own custom GPTs to act as specialized assistants for different tasks. People are using these to handle freelance copywriting, resume writing, online tutoring, and even coaching. You can package these GPTs and offer them as services on platforms like Fiverr or Gumroad. With tools like Grammarly, Canva, and ChatGPT working together, you're basically running a business with AI as your team. The money opportunity here is to sell pre-made GPTs, offer personalized AI services, or use them to boost your own productivity as a freelancer. Next is Opus Clip, a powerful AI tool that repurposes long-form content into viral short videos. With just one click, you can upload a podcast or YouTube video, and Opus Clip will automatically cut it into multiple engaging shorts, complete with subtitles, jump cuts, and even viral hooks. This is a goldmine for social media managers and content creators who want to grow on TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts, or offer this as a service to clients. Businesses pay hundreds of dollars for consistent short-form content, and now you can deliver it with ease using AI. Moving on to Canva Magic Studio. Canva was already a favorite among designers, but Magic Studio takes it to another level. It writes and copy, generates logos, creates presentations, social media graphics, and even builds full brand kits, all with AI. This makes it super easy to create and sell branding packages or templates, even if you're not a professional designer. With Canva Magic Studio, you can start a design business or open a passive income stream by selling templates online. Finally, we have Notion AI combined with automation platforms like Zapier or Make.com. This combo lets you build full productivity systems that are powered by AI and delivered automatically. For example, you can create content calendars, journaling systems, or daily planning tools that update themselves using Notion AI. You can package these systems and sell them as digital downloads or even offer them as subscription services. It's like building a business in a dashboard. So, to recap, the top 4 AI tools to make money easily in 2025 are ChatGPT with Custom GPTs, Opus Clip, Canva Magic Studio, Notion AI with automation. These tools aren't just software, they're business opportunities. Whether you're selling services, products, or systems, AI can help you start or scale with very little overhead. If you want to make money with AI, start with one tool, master it, and build from there. This is BoostMind AI, helping you unlock the power of AI to build income, creativity, and freedom. If you got value from this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which AI tool you'll try first. Thanks for watching.